Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking 3 cards, guys, for your daily reading, Cancers. For your love reading, it's going to be like a pick a card. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can choose the pile, skip to the timestamp and watch that reading, guys. I have given the timestamp in the description. So for your daily energies, Cancers, it's Devil, Knight of Pentacles and 10 of Wands in reverse, guys. So with these cards, guys, I see here that you are facing some kind of difficulties, guys, some obstacles or difficulties, and you feel helpless in some situation. You are feeling helpless today, maybe because of some habits, some addictions. Maybe this may be your energy or this may be your person's energy, and you feel that it is limiting you, limiting these addictions are spoiling you, it is limiting your abilities and skills, and you are realizing that that overindulgence in these habits are bad, but still you are unable to control it, guys. You are unable to put a stop to that behavior and you feel really helpless. That is what I see. Maybe this may be your energy or this may be your person's energy, guys. So, and also you know what you need to do today. So you know what a choice you need to make, and you see clearly your future, and you are a person of great determination, but something is stressing you. That is what I see. Though you have that determination and you see your future, you see the goals you need to achieve, these addictions are harming you and you want to overcome, and you are making great efforts today, guys, to overcome these addictions. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers. That is the reading for y'all, guys, for daily energy. For your love reading, you can choose the pile, skip to the timestamp and watch that video, guys. That is coming up right now. I have given the timestamp in the description. For your love readings, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So whichever card you want to watch, this is the first deck and this is the second deck. So I'll be giving the timestamp in the description. You can skip to the timestamp and watch that deck, guys. So let us start with the first deck. We will keep it here. We'll be picking 2 cards, guys, from this deck. 1 card for your relationship, your situation, what you feel about this connection, and 1 card is for what your person feels about you and this connection. So the first card is, this is for what you feel or what is your energy, and this is the card for their energy, guys. So this is what they feel about you and this connection. So we will start with this card, guys. So you feel happy and rejuvenated today in this connection, guys. You are simply enjoying it. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, you may be in a new connection with this person. This person may be a new beginning for you, a new person, a new love, and you are happy for it. You are simply enjoying this day. You are having that excitement today in your day, guys. It's sweetness and vibrancy is there in this relationship. That is what you feel about this connection. And if you are already in a relationship, maybe if it is not a new relationship, still you have that what to say, that bursting sweetness and vibrancy in this relationship, guys. Some kind of new excitement and passion, and your hearts are full of joy. Today something is making you happy, guys. This is a very auspicious card. This just means that you are happy for this love, you are happy for this connection, and you are simply enjoying this day. That is what this card is about, guys. You are enjoying that newness, maybe if you are with a new person, or if you are already in this relationship also, how things are going, that new excitement, that new passion that has caught up in this relationship. You are simply happy for it, and you are enjoying it, and you are learning about that other person, and you both are maturing beautifully in this connection. That is what you feel about this relationship, guys. So for your person, the card is blessed. So I see here that both of you equally are happy in this connection, guys. Maybe this may be a twin flame soulmate connection. That is what I see here. So that person is also feeling wonderful, and they feel that you are an unexpected gift from God's. You are an unforeseen gift from the Spirit, maybe. They are simply happy and enjoying this time with you, and you both share a deep understanding. That is what they feel, that intimacy and this bonding they have, and they are simply enjoying this relationship with you, guys. So with this card here again, they see that things are moving towards a deeper intimacy, a deeper connection between you both. That understanding, bonding, compatibility is there. That is what they see with you, and they feel that they feel you are a gift, really an unexpected gift, an unexpected great thing that has happened in their life today, guys, and they are really grateful for it, grateful for this blessing. That is what this card is about, and that is what they feel about you and this connection, guys. So let us take cards from the other deck, guys. So we will be picking two cards again. One card is for what you feel about this person or about this connection, and one more card is for what they feel about this connection. So first card, this is what you feel about this connection. It is Blood Angel. And the second card, Cosmic Heart. With this card, guys, the energy for you, what you feel towards your connection towards this person, is that you feel that you are expanding, that growth is there, and you feel that attraction and love flowing through you towards this person. And life is about balance, guys. Maybe you are receiving more love today from this person, and you are enjoying this connection, but in order to receive all that gift from that other person, first you need to empty yourself first, or what has not been needed by you, maybe your past situations, whatever memories that you have that may be hindering you, that may be creating a sense of what to say, some kind of guilt or some resentments. So all that you need to give that up, whatever you do not need. So life is about balance. So you are enjoying this connection, but still you have certain stressful memories or unresolved issues of your past. So something you need to work on. So when you are able to do that, if you are able to do that, you will enjoy that sweetness of this present relationship, guys. So that is what this card is about, and that is what you feel about this person and about this connection. You are overwhelmed by their love, but you are not able to enjoy it totally because of your past, because you are holding on to your past. So this is a card that denotes a blessing of well-being and healing, guys. So all that vitality you need and all that well-being you need, physically and emotionally and mentally, all that is given through this card. So if we want to get back to our old self, get back to that 100% efficiency mentally and physically and emotionally, we have to let go of our preconceived notions and our past hurts and enjoy what is right there in front of us, guys. So this card is for what your person feels about this connection. With this card, guys, your person feels that this love is shaking them up, just like what to say, a tsunami, guys. So that is the extent they feel moved by this connection. They are simply enjoying how things are going with this connection, and they feel sometimes they feel so overwhelmed in this connection, and they simply cannot handle that love they are experiencing, that happiness they are getting out of it, and that gratefulness they feel in their heart to be in this connection with you. So they feel moved deeply by this connection, and they don't know what is going on. They are simply baffled by the way things are going, that understanding you both share, that intimacy you both have, and also the way you bond with each other, that familiarity. So they are simply baffled. They feel wonderful to be in this connection with you. This relationship has moved them deeply, guys. So that is what they feel about you and about this connection, and they are happy to be in this relationship with you guys. And that is what this card is about. That is what they feel about this connection, guys. So let us end this reading with a beautiful poem from Rumi, guys. So this is a translation. I was dead, I became alive. I was tears, I became laughter. The power of love arrived and made me everlasting power. I have seen everything, I have no fear. I have the heart of a lion, I shine like Venus. Rumi. This is the poem for this reading, guys. So let us end this reading with this poetry. So that is what these cards are about, guys. So for those who have chosen these cards, so I see here that you have a perfect passionate deep understanding with each other. In this connection you both feel happy to be in this connection. That is what I see with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated and if you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.